going on, guys? Be that drain guy. We're in an apartment building today. We gotta set our bathroom sink.
The storm is coming, but I'm prepared. I'll be gone for a while, but don't be scared. Right now, I don't know if I'll ever arrive. Where the grass is green, we're still alive. I hope I'll see you on the other side.
The plumber for your bathroom sink.
I know that I'll be paying for the ride into the black hole. Sing for my soul through the black hole to make myself whole again. You want the truth and you're having doubts, but if I tell you now, the sun dies out. 'Cause I can only give.
Hello, how are you?
I'm okay, and you?
Not too bad. So your bathroom sink is plugged up?
Yes, they came, they did what they were supposed to do,
Okay.
and nothing. I put that to the
And nothing. If you want to grab your mats there just so I don't step on them.
Sure. Thank you for coming.
No problem.
They did open it,
Okay.
and they see nothing down there.
Okay, not a problem. I'm going to come in, I'm going to close the door, okay?
You have to close the door.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Just because I'm going to be taking down my mats.
Oh, yes. Go ahead.
Thank you very much.
Yes, good.
You my heart when the darkest clouds begin to part. I hope I'll see you on the other side. I know that I'll be paying for the ride into the black hole. Sing for my soul through the black hole to make myself whole again. I'll give you my love, can't give you my love. No, I'll give you my love, can't give you my love. I'll give you my love into the black hole. Sing for my soul through the black hole to make myself whole again.
So we're just going to let the water fill up to the overflow and test it out. I always like to let the water fill up to the overflow just so we get that clean water going through there. camera skills are not the best today. The water's traveling down the overflow, so we're just going to let that do that for a minute. It's got really good drainage. Start to see a whirlpool there. There you go, guys. This has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out.